Welcome to the ultimate solution for your weight loss and overall health journey. Today, we're introducing 10 powerful supplements that can transform your body and boost your well-being. Let's dive in. CLA is a natural fatty acid that aids in fat loss and muscle preservation. It helps your body burn fat while maintaining lean muscle mass. CLA works by modulating the body's fat metabolism and is best absorbed when taken with meals. Sports Research and Tonalin are excellent brands to try. Protein is vital for muscle growth and repair. A high-quality protein powder supports muscle maintenance, boosts metabolism, and reduces hunger. Whey protein is quickly absorbed while casein is digested slowly, providing a prolonged release of amino acids. Optimum Nutrition and Garden of Life offer top-tier protein powders. Apple cider vinegar helps control blood sugar levels and reduces fat storage. It aids in digestion by improving the acidity of your stomach, allowing for better nutrient absorption and a boost in metabolism. Acetic acid in the vinegar promotes fat burning and appetite suppression. Bragg and Dynamic Health are renowned for their quality. Vitamin D is essential for bone health, immune function, and mood regulation. It also plays a role in weight loss by regulating the hormones that affect hunger and fat storage. Vitamin D is fat-soluble, meaning it is best absorbed when taken with a meal containing fat. Nature Made and Nordic Naturals provide reliable vitamin D supplements. Last but not least, magnesium. This mineral supports muscle and nerve function, regulates blood pressure, and helps manage blood sugar levels. Magnesium glycinate is highly absorbable and gentle on the stomach, citrate is excellent for digestion, and oxide is a more affordable option. Magnesium helps in energy production and overall metabolic health. Doctor's Best and Nature's Bounty offer various forms to suit your needs.
These 5 supplements work synergistically to support your weight loss and overall health goals. By enhancing metabolism, improving digestion, and balancing your body's nutritional needs, you'll be on the path to a healthier, fitter you. Start your journey today with our complete supplement package. Order now by clicking on the link in the description and take the first step towards a healthier, more vibrant you. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to get notified of more information about living a healthy lifestyle.